Right next to me is comedian Jamie Lissow. If hilarity were stubble, I'd wake up every morning with him on my face. Jamie, I go to you. There was one point where he said, being a Scientologist, when you drive past an accident, you know you have to do something about it because you know you're the only one who can really help, as opposed to a paramedic or a doctor. Do you believe him?
I do, and I think it's nice that he refers to doing something about it as driving by.
Strangely enough. Jamie, isn't this proof that women clearly shouldn't be allowed to vote? Because, you know, men, we don't swoon over politicians, yet women do, and that's dangerous.
Yeah, I would agree that they shouldn't be allowed to vote while looking at the president's ass.
Very good.
You know what I love? My favorite part of the video? Clinton speaking on taxes, and then he notices something has gone horribly wrong when everyone suddenly starts paying attention.
Yeah, exactly. Douglas Hoffman of Arizona, there he is also ordered to pay nearly $250,000 in restitution for cutting down or poisoning the trees from October 2004 until his arrest in November 2005. Jamie, I go to you. How can a man go to jail for killing something that's not really even alive to begin with?
And I was surprised to find out that there were laws in Vegas. You know what I think? And not that I'm definitely not condoning this.
Yes.
But if you're going to kill a tree, are you really going to poison a tree?
Yeah.
Do you know how long you would have to yell timber?
Yes. And if you can, which is scary. Jamie, 51% of Repubs and 67% of Dems said they've watched porn with their sexual partners.
I find it weird, this whole study, because I'm Republican, but when it comes to sex, I'm normally independent.
Very good. A 79-year-old woman died while on a road trip, and her family kept driving with the body in their RV.
I think it is kind of sad, though. I mean, can you imagine, because the doctor did say that they thought the grandmother would make it for the whole trip, and that's got to be kind of sad to, like, have that conversation where the doctor comes out and goes, hey, you know, your grandmother's really sick. We only think she has about 3,000 miles to live.
Well, he destroyed this house. He destroyed the neighborhood. But from far away, well, how far is Australia from here?
It's very far.
It's about 300 miles, right?
Do it better.
Do you guys know if you're in Australia at a party and the cops come and you flush your drugs down the toilet, they go the other way down?
Oh, interesting. I've noticed that you've been working out a lot, and I want to tell you that working out doesn't help people's careers. Look what it did to Sly Stallone. Stop with the working out, young man.
Yeah, but look what it did to Joe Piscopo.
Excellent.
Touche, sir.
Dude, he just owned you.